It's your boy Crypto Millie back with another Birddog update. I did a video on this meme coin a few weeks back. Full transparency, they have sponsored our content, and I do hold a personal bag of Birddog. So I want to continue to give you guys an update throughout the month on this project here, Birddog. And this video, we're going to be just looking at it from a TNA perspective for anybody that was looking to find a position, DCA, or even exit if that's what you want to do, right? Not financial advice, right? All right, so let's get into it. So Birddog, sitting here at a $3.8 million market cap, 83,000 in volume, in the buys and sells. As you can see, right, a little bit, just like 200 bucks more selling pressure than buying pressure. So not bad, right? Not bad, especially as you can see, we're going through this correction in the market, of course, right? Which I made a video a couple of days ago where I said the crash wasn't over, right? So I do believe this will be an opportunity to add to whatever bag that you have, whether it be this meme coin specifically, your utility bags, or even your blue chip bags. But I talked about this in the Patreon, how you can find a cult community, right, in a good way, right, a cult community, a good project and a narrative. This is why people like Matt Furie tokens, and a favorable market cap. So I want to make it clear here that you put in a whatever, 100 to 1,000 bucks into a project with a lower market cap, not this one specifically, whatever you want to buy, and you have a greater chance of hitting something like 50x to 100x, compared to putting that same amount of liquidity, 100 bucks to 1,000 bucks, into a blue chip meme coin sitting at well over billions of dollars, right? So a lot of influencers don't tell you this, but if you want to make money with meme coins, you have to get in early, right? First movers advantage. People don't like to hear this, but 90% of crypto is player versus player, right? Who can get in the earliest, right? So this is why me personally, I look for meme coin gems with smaller market caps. Not to knock anything with the higher market caps, but for me, I like to get a little bit more bang for my buck, right? Of course, there is more volatility, and you are putting up money into more risk, which means these lower liquidity meme coins can correct anywhere from 20 to 30%, sometimes 50 to 60% at any time. So never invest what you are afraid to lose, especially with meme coins. I gotta stress that out to you guys. All right, so let's get into the Birddog. What I'm seeing on the chart. All right, so still less than 10K holders. Right, I like that. It's still early. This is the 3-day chart, and you can see, guys, we are oversold here on the 3-day. Right, we need to hold the structure here, right, because we broke the structure here, which was our green line, and now we're at our red line, where it's the next, in my opinion, the last leg of structure before you get somewhere in between here, right? So we need to hold this red line, right? So if the market can somehow turn around, and I'm not sure it will, we could see a momentum cross here on the stock RSI, which would put us one step closer to a momentum reversal. Now, in order for us to have confirmed bullish momentum, we need to get above 20 here on the stock RSI. Currently, we're like peak bears, right? So this is this is the most bear momentum that the bears can get, right? At some point, this has to turn around, but you want to see this project hold this red line here, even though it is a little under the VWAP on the 3-day. Now, the 3-day can take 2 to 4 weeks to play out, right? This is a long-term perspective, because again, I'm holding my bag, right, for peak meme coin bull run, right? Meme coin super cycle, and this is a Matt Furie token, and we know Matt Furie tokens have been known to be very explosive when meme coins are hot on the radar, right? And you can get, this is the thing, guys, you can get into new pairs, right? Or you can find a project that has withheld the test of time. And as you can see here, let's see, I actually want to see how long they were in this zone before they went up. So what I like to do is I like to you know okay, so before the next leg up, it was 81 days. and let's see where we're at right now, right? So let's see where we're at right now. All right, let's see here. Where we at? So we're at 66 days. So before they had the last explosion, they went sideways for about 81 days, right? Right now we're at 61 days of just going sideways, right? Sideways pressure. So at some point, what you want to see this project do is get, first and foremost, get back above the trend line here, hold structure at 3.6, bounce off the structure back above the trend line, and confirm bullish momentum, right? That's what we want, right? And this all is going to be depicted upon the market, right? The market has to show some liquidity. I will say this: if Solana starts pumping, right, you probably see Birddog pump, because Solana, Birddog is a Solana token, and Solana is one of the top casinos in the space. Let's see if we got any information on the weekly chart. Because, like I said, man, when people hop into crypto, right, Solana is probably like the easiest to onboard new users. Okay, we don't got enough information here on the 3-day chart. It's really easy to create a wallet, right? It's really easy to create a wallet, and once people see that these Matt Furry tokens, right, they're gonna buy them, right? Birddog, Bread, all, Pepe, the whole collection has a chance to really do something crazy. Now, my target is anywhere between 50 million and 100 million dollar market cap, right? That's my target, right? I would like to see Birddog run from here to a 50 million to 100 million dollar market cap. If it goes higher, that's what's up, but I am always realistic and more of a conservative, right? I don't want to give you guys any false hope here, right? So again, even though they've sponsored the content, I like to keep it as realistic as possible. I do have a bag of this. I'm not worrying about the correction here, because I know meme coins can go down 20 to 30%, but they've held up pretty well. They've held up pretty well. But we need to see Birddog hold this structure here. They have to hold this structure. It's very important that they hold this structure, right? Because then people get feared out and scared out, and we don't want that, right? So if the market can show some strength here at some point this week, maybe going into the end of the week, I would suspect the market shows some strength going into the end of the week. This could start to turn around. But again, guys, understand this is a meme coin, right? This is a meme coin, so it can have an explosive move to the upside or downside for the most part. Because I've looked at meme coins across the board, but for the most part, Birddog chart has been going up and to the right, right? But we need this thing to get it back above the trend line, right? Y'all let me know what y'all think about Birddog. Did you go do your research? I'd love to know your opinion. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.